Metro Manila Mission is the prime mover of the Couples for Christ mission for the past 43 years. The Metro Manila Mission stretches across 16 cities, 1 municipality, and parts of Rizal and Cavite. These are North A, North B, East A, East B, West A, West B, and West C, South A and South B, Central A, Central B, and Central C. Joyful, happy to serve at all times, empowered, moved by the Holy Spirit, efficient, optimized usage to time, talent, and treasure, passionate, fired up to bring light wherever sent, and that is Jeep. For 2004 and beyond, count on Metro Manila Mission to be one with the call of the Couples for Christ. One more time.